Do you know that your private security firm could be closed overnight if the amendments that we are seeing being proposed by the Private Security Regulatory Authority are implemented? It's critical to understand why the DA feels that these amendments need to be completely withdrawn as soon as possible. It's important to also understand the role that private security plays in South Africa, because they have filled a gap that government hasn't been able to fill for quite a long time. In July 2021, we all knew and saw the damage that was done by the riots and the looting that happened then. And if it were not for the private security industry, things would have been way worse. It's critical also to understand that when CIRA says they have no intention of disarming security companies or causing unemployment of security guards, it's a blatant untruth. It doesn't make sense, because the amendments that have been proposed clearly state that they can arbitrarily close or suspend services of private security authorities, and that they suddenly want control over the firearms of those private security entities. It doesn't make sense that we see these draconian amendments while the existing legislation and regulations already allow for them to do the relevant policing of the industry without making any real changes. It's critical for you to get involved and make a submission regarding this. Send an email to regulations@cira.co.za, and from the DA side, we will also communicate to you when public participation processes in the different provinces are taking part, in order for you to also partake in those processes.
DA at Work, rescuing South Africa.